Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is a very quick and easy blue glitter smoky eye makeup look. This is only 2 matte eyeshadows and 1 glitter eyeshadow eye makeup tutorial, but highlighting crease line is difficult. I have used liquid eyeshadow to highlight my crease line, but how to do it easily you'll know further in tutorial. I will share with you how to get it easily. If you are interested, please continue watching. I'm highlighting my brow bone using this foil. This is a very pigmented silver foil. Link to this foil along with other products is in the description box below. Next, I'm picking light blue eyeshadow and applying on my crease. Tap, tap, tap and move the brush back and forth. To deposit the eyeshadow, tap, tap. To disperse the eyeshadow, move the brush back and forth, and for smokiness, move the brush in circular motion. I would be applying the same on my outer V. Do not take it too much inside. Next, I am using this dark blue eyeshadow. Cover whole of your eyelid using this eyeshadow. To blend this eyeshadow with the light blue eyeshadow, I am using this PE29 brush through which I applied the light blue eyeshadow. Begin moving here. Move the brush in circular motion for both the eyeshadows to blend. Hold the brush very lightly. Move the brush back and forth. Sharpen your outer V outline. Next, after this, I would be using glitter. I am picking this blue glitter and placing it on half of my eye. Cover half of your eye using glitter. Do not cross your crease line. Keep the glitter within the crease. Pull only the mid glitter towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V. You can stop it here if you don't want to highlight using liquid eyeshadow, but I would be using liquid eyeshadow to highlight. The tip here is to place liquid eyeshadow only on the tip, one tip here only, and begin applying liquid eyeshadow on your crease line. Place only on the tip. Remove the excess liquid eyeshadow in the wand. I am using eyeliner wand. The wand that comes along with a liquid eyeshadow is different. I am using a liquid eyeliner wand to highlight. Place it only on the tip. The liquid eyeshadow should be only on the tip of the wand to highlight your crease line. You will be able to do it only if you remove the excess and place a little on the tip. Next, I am creating winged eyeliner. After this, I would be creating pointed inner corner. Next, I am applying kajal on my waterline. Smudge the kajal on your lower lash line. Move the brush back and forth for kajal to smudge. Lastly, I would be coating mascara on my eyelashes. I am using Lakme Iconic Mascara to intensify my eyelashes. And it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eye makeup look, if you like this tutorial, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. If you have any doubts, please write them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.